Welcome back to Tech by Pike. It's been a while. We haven't really talked in almost a full year. Last week I posted a video of an unboxing of a 14-inch MacBook Pro. I didn't really say anything or talk about where I've been this whole year, last year. And I want to talk a little bit about that. I was on a project during my day job, and that took me right up to November, and I had to be pretty hyper-focused on it to completion. So that's where I've been. I took some time off through the holidays. I always knew that I would be back. I just didn't know exactly when. Here we are, 2025, and we've got some new exciting stuff coming this year, new products to review, new tech to talk about, and we're going to be launching a new merchandise store where you can go out and buy Tech by Pike products. We're also going to be giving some of it away in raffles and stuff like that throughout the year. So it's really an exciting time for Tech by Pike. We're in it this year, and we're really excited that you're going to be on the ride with us. So anyway, today we're going to talk about the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This comes, I think we got the Moonstone color of this product. I think there's a silver. There's three variations of this particular tablet. You got the 12 gigs of RAM on a 256 gig storage. You have 12 gigs of RAM on a 512 gigs of storage. And then you got 16 gigs of RAM on the 1 terabyte of storage, which obviously costs a little bit more. I think this cost us around $1,300, but there it is. It's the 14-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. We also got the book cover keyboard slim for the tablet as well. So we'll be unboxing that. We're going to do a little ASMR unboxing, and then I'm going to give you some first impressions. And then maybe in a later video, we'll start talking about features and what you can actually do with this tablet. So anyway, we're excited to be back, and let's get into it. As an FYI, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is the middle of the road version. This is the 12 gigs of RAM with the 512 gigs of storage. Like I said, there's a 256 version and a 1 terabyte version. Let's unbox it. The S Pen is included. There's the pin to open up the tray door so you can add more storage to this tablet, something that Apple still doesn't provide. Unfortunate, no power brick. speakers, USB-C port for charging, more speakers, and there's the pinhole to open up the tray so you can put in another, I think up to 1 terabyte storage, maybe 2 terabytes. I'll have to look into that. All right. I really like the feel of this tablet in my hands. It's very sturdy, feels pretty rock solid. It's thin, it's pretty light, but it is a 14-inch behemoth. It's big. So let's go ahead and weigh this, just the tablet itself, and then I'll add the keyboard. So 1 pound, 9.8 ounces. And then we just add the keyboard. 2 pounds, 10.1 ounces. All right, so we're gonna take that off. And real quickly, I just wanna compare it. I have a 12-inch iPad Pro that I got a couple years ago. I just wanna compare the size here without the pen. Wow, what a difference. Sorry, I got some schmutz on this. I need to clean it. A little bit taller on the iPad, but significantly wider on the Galaxy 10. Wow, that is awesome. My first impressions. There's two things that I want to talk about. A plus and a minus. And let's start with the bad news first, the minus. This does not come with a power brick. It comes with a power cable, USB-C on both ends, but no power brick. It was the same 2 years ago. I think I reviewed the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra back then, and it didn't have a power brick. I think it's a real miss on Samsung's part. I have plenty of power bricks. I've gathered them over the years of doing tech reviews and my day job, and so I am not short of power bricks, but your normal consumer may not have one. That would be an added expense. So anyway, keep that in mind. The plus is that this has a tray. Where is it here? Oh, there it is. a tray for a mini SD card slot for added storage. So you just have that little pin, you put it in the hole there, you push down, and the little tray pops out, and you can add a mini SD card in there for more storage. That's great. I think it might go up to 1 or 2 terabytes. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up, but that is significant. Something that Apple does not provide, and I think that's a real win, in my opinion. So there you go. That's my first impressions. We're going to come back and check out features of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. I really like this tablet. I like the size. I liked it 2 years ago with the S8. I still think it's a winner. It's a little bit thinner than what I remember, so that's great. And I think it's even lighter. I'll have to take a look at my review from the S8 Ultra from 2 years ago. Anyway, there you have it. Okay, that's it for this video. You heard a little bit about where Tech by Pike has been for the last year, over 2024. You heard about where Tech by Pike is going in 2025. I'm really looking forward to the merchandise store and the giveaways. And not only that, you heard a little bit about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, the 14-inch tablet from Samsung. This is a fantastic product. I did the review with the S8 a couple years ago, like I said, and that was a fantastic tablet. I think this is going to be a winner as well. We're going to do some videos around the features and whatnot. We'll bring those to you as soon as possible. We're back, baby. We'll see you in the next one.